Let's take a look at my new Husky 52-inch 9-drawer mobile work center. My particular one has a gray finish, but as you see it comes in multiple different colors. The unit has a total storage capacity of roughly 16,000 cubic inches, and the 9 drawers are full extension and rated for about 100 pounds each. The top work surface is a solid wood finish, and on the bottom it is supported by 4 5-inch swivel casters that lock as well. There is a large push handle on the side of the unit for moving it around your work area. It comes with pre-cut drawer liners, and the gauge of steel is a 21 gauge. As mentioned, the total length of the unit is a true 52 inches. For the depth, we have a total depth of 18 inches. The height off the ground without the casters is a little bit over 32 inches. Included in the unit contained in the top drawer are a set of 2 keys for locking the box, an extra pamphlet, as well as your pre-cut drawer liners. The height of the upper drawer, where sockets will most likely be kept, is about 4 inches. The remaining low-profile drawers have a height of about 3¼ inches. For the 2 bottom large drawers, the height is 10 inches. In order to facilitate putting the casters on the bottom of the unit, you will need to tip it up. Put cardboard on the floor to protect the finish. The included box contains your 4 casters, 2 that swivel, 2 that are fixed with locking, as well as the hardware that's needed to affix it to the cabinet. Each caster will utilize 4 of the stainless steel fasteners, and you could use the included hex wrench to tighten them. The 2 swivel casters can be installed on either end of the unit. Finish installing the 4 of them and tighten them down by hand, ensuring they are snug. Next, the pull handle can be installed with the fasteners, and once again using the hex key that was included. Now that I have the unit in its final spot, I'm installing the drawer liners. As mentioned, they are all pre-cut and they fit nicely and lie flat. With the casters installed, we have a space under the unit of about 6½ inches. The final fully assembled height, with casters included, is roughly 37½ inches. Now let's take a look at how I have the new tool chest set up. This upper compartment is a great area to store your sockets, ratchets, extensions, etc. As we come to the smaller drawers, these are great areas to be storing your pliers, your cutters, your vice grips, any tool that can lie flat and would not impede on the closure of the drawer. Of course, the way you decide to lay out and customize your new toolbox is probably the most fun part of setting up a new tool chest, so have fun with it. Lay out your tools that best fit your workflow and make the most sense for you. Thanks a lot for watching, guys. Hope you enjoyed it.